I'm just going to cut off little tiny pieces because I'm going to also press this through the garlic press because then I get the flavor without all the little fibers that are in it. I suppose you could use dried ginger. To me, fresh tastes best, but if you are using dried herbs, make sure you use a third less. So if a recipe were to call for 3 tablespoons of a fresh herb, when you're using a dry herb, use only 1 tablespoon. Dried herbs are much more concentrated. And we need to thicken it, so we're going to use 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, which is available in a health food store. It sometimes comes in bulk. It comes in bags. It also comes in little spice jars. Arrowroot is a natural thickening agent. It's exactly like cornstarch, measure for measure, but I prefer to use arrowroot because corn is a very heavily genetically modified crop these days, and unless it's organic and they assure me that it's non-GMO, I'm going to go with the more natural product. And that's going to thicken it right up. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit, and we're just going to let it cook until the arrowroot does its job and makes it nice and thick. We've already made the tofu. Now the only other thing that's left, which is traditionally found in sweet and sour, is a green bell pepper.